Okay guys, this is Miss Doyle again. I know it's a second video, but these are the types of Pythagorean Theorem questions that you are going to see on the PSAT when you take it, which you will end up taking it next year. So a 15-foot ladder leans up against a building. The foot of the ladder is 5 feet from the base of the building. How high up the wall to the nearest foot does the ladder reach? First, you need to draw a picture. So here is your building. This is the building. This is the ground. And then this is going to be your ladder. So it says a 15-foot ladder. So that's our hypotenuse. You have the base of the ladder is 5 feet from the building. And now we need to know what the leg is. So we're going to use a squared plus b squared equals c squared. We're going to substitute in our values. So we knew the hypotenuse was 15, so that's our c squared. We know one of the legs was 5, so we're going to put that in 5 squared, and we don't know the other leg, so we have x squared. So do the math. We have x squared plus 25 equals 225, and now we need to solve for x. To do that, we need to subtract 25 from both sides, because remember, what we do to one side, we have to do to the other. We get x squared equals 200. We need our x all by itself, so we're going to take the square root of both sides, and we're going to end up with x equals 14.142135. So I'm going to leave my answer rounded to the nearest whole foot. So the ladder reaches about 14 feet up the wall. Tim rode 8 miles due north and then 3 miles due east. This is another type of problem that you will see. You will always see word problems on the PSAT. So we can draw a picture. He went 8 miles north, then 3 miles east. How far is he from where he started? So we know both of the legs. We now need to figure out the hypotenuse. So we're going to use our Pythagorean Theorem formula, a squared plus b squared equals c squared, and substitute in our values. 8 squared plus 3 squared equals c squared. We're going to do the math. We get 73 equals c squared. Square root of both sides. And remember, how am I supposed to leave my answer? We need to do the math. So the square root of 73 is 8.5440037. So he's about 9 miles from where he started. Remember, we're going to round up because this is a 0.5. All right, you try these problems. Pause it, look at these problems, and then come back. The answers are next to them. We can talk about these in our Zoom lesson on Thursday. See you guys later.